Hello again everyone, I'm your car Kuya. Today we're going to talk about the difference between electric vehicle and hybrids. Hybrid meaning meron siyang electric at saka meron siyang internal combustion na makina. Alright, so let's get into it. Okay, number one, if we're going to talk about electric vehicle, so ito yung 100% electric vehicle siya. Umaandar siya sa baterya, which is sabi nga nila, pag nakapag-drive or nakabili ka ng electric vehicle, hindi ka nababalik sa internal combustion na kotse. So, which is very true. Kasi yun naman yung yun ang nangyayari ngayon sa ibang bansa. Pag nakatry ka na or nakatikim ka na mag-drive ng electric vehicle at na-feed mo yung power, yung rush, saka yung convenience, yung comfort, yun, maganda talaga yung electric vehicle. Saludo ako dun. Okay, next, hybrid. I think medyo negative ako sa hybrid kasi in the long run, if you're going to get a hybrid car, you will end up spending more money because you are maintaining two engines. You have an electric powered car and you have an internal combustion car. So in the end, ang maintenance mo magiging dalawa. So if you can afford to skip not buying a hybrid, I suggest you go straight to electric. Yun po yung honest opinion ko dyan. So, yeah. Charging versus refueling. Of course, definitely mas masarap yung electric. Kasi yung electric, when you get home, you just plug your car and then you sleep. The next morning, fully charged na yung kotse mo. You don't even have to go to a gas station and spend about 15 minutes to refuel. Di katulad dito, pag uwi mo, matutulog ka, sabay charge mo yung kotse mo. And what's so good about it is, yung cost ng electric mo is, if not 1/4, 1/2 of the fuel consumption that you will save. However, may drawback yung electric vehicle. Kasi yung electric vehicle, mas mahal din siya ng 1/2 from the original price ng mga standard internal combustion na kotse. So, kayo na magsasabi sa sarili nyo, afford ko ba to? In the long run ba, yung computations ba nito will be better versus all the comforts that I will get from the electric versus the internal combustion? So, it's all up to you guys kasi hindi ko naman alam yung finances ninyo kung paano nyo siya i-compute dun sa direction na magiging favorable sa inyo. Pero, all things equal, wala kayo talaga makakasagot. So, going back, yung fuel. So, kung magpapa-fuel naman kayo, yun nga, usually nga, yung fuel, hindi nyo na makontrol yung kung saan kayo magkakarga, yung inconvenience, saka yung safety niya. Yun, so, we are now going towards the age of, bilang na lang kayo ng 3 taon. So, lahat ng mga sasakyan natin dito, magiging electric na. Kasi, nagiging mura na siya, nagiging affordable na, super, and yung advantage and comfort talaga ng electric vehicle, nandito na, it's now. So, yun, skip nyo na yung hybrid ha, go straight to electric. Small price difference, full electric na kayo. So, ang pinaka, another big question mark, comparing the service of an electric vehicle and an internal combustion vehicle. So, I'll throw back the question at you guys. Di ba almost 2 years na rin naman na dumadami na electric vehicle natin? Did you see any electric dealership or electric car dealer na napupuno yung nila? Yung service center nila? Wala. So, why? Because there are few components operating in an electric car. There's only few. So, meaning to say, mas madali siya i-maintain, mas konti yung nasisira, at yun na nga, ang watch out lang ninyo na unang masisira ay gulong, which normally happens kung high performance yung gulong nyo, 20,000. Kung mga SUV na hindi high performance na gulong, mas mahaba kasi yung duration, it's usually about 60,000 kilometers. So you expect that to change those. And of course, yung preno. So yun lang yung i-watch out niyo, which is very very cheap. Mahal yung gulong, yung preno mura. So yun, so, hindi katulad ng internal combustion, every 5,000 kilometers you need to do a change oil, so on and so forth. Tapos pag 60,000 na, automatic transmission fluid. Tapos yung timing chain, 80,000, 100,000 kilometers. Ang dami pa. Brake, this and that. And spark plug, fuel. Ang dami. So, unlimited. So, yeah. Ano yung environmental impact ng EV at saka hybrid or mga internal combustion? Down. We say so much na yung electric car is green, where I beg to disagree. Kasi before we can actually create an electric car, nagmamine tayo ng so much minerals and so much pollution yung ginagawa natin just to create batteries to support the EV. So, siguro in later part of this year, it will really come out na they can actually say na the EV is really green and the internal combustion or the hybrid vehicles is the one that's really clean. So, up to this point, wala pa rin kasing data. Pero both of them, evil sila sa environment natin. Kasi, hindi naman totoo na porket naka-electric vehicle ka na, you're really actually helping the environment or eco-friendly ka na. So, sad to say. I don't want to break your hearts, everyone. Lahat na ng mga electric vehicles yan, kala nyo, excuse nyo na yan for being eco-friendly. No, it's not. You research and you will find out na in some cases, in a lot of cars around the world, mas marami pa yung mas mataas pa yung environmental impact ng electric vehicle na ginagamit nyo kesa dun sa regular cars that we have in the market. I hope you enjoyed today's topic and it will help you more or less choose what kind of vehicle is suited for you guys. Salamat! I'm your car kuya!